Hi guys, I'm Akriti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been taking a lot of time to clean my room, and finally it's time for me to clean my closet. So the day has come finally. So I'll just please pardon me for the look because this look completely explains my situation. So I'll just take you through how I clean my closet, starting from cleaning off the place where I keep all my clothes. So yeah, let's get started. To begin with, I have this space. I am sorry if I cannot show you properly, but this is the space where I keep my clothes. That's the rod where I hang in all my outfits that I use on a daily basis. And here is the slab. This is a very thin paper that I have used to put on the surface. You can get it from any local store. This keeps the dust away from accumulating on the surface, and it looks very beautiful, like very neat. So now I've just folded my clothes, and now I'm going to hang this in the rod. As you can see, I have my clothes hanged. This makes very easy for me to go and just select my outfit. You can also find these hangers in various designs and patterns. I have a few which has these clips. You can use them also for hanging your outfits if they are very difficult to manage. Next up I have is a bag full of dupattas and a few scarves. So what I do is I just take a rectangular shaped bag, and in that I like to store my dupattas and scarves like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the bag and then push it behind here. I don't have the problem of the dupatta slipping away every time I take out the other one. So moving on, now I have started with the lower section of the closet on the left side. What I do is I just like to keep my outfits in the plastic bags. So I have used these plastic bags for keeping my Indian wear. They don't slip away left or right. How I like to keep my pants and my leggings, which I use on a daily basis. This is a plastic bag, and since it is very large, I like to keep my pants in two sections. And the last one, this is my bag which is full of lingerie. So I will just keep it here. And yep, this is how my space looks like right now. And I know I don't have lots of things to keep, but this is how it is. And this is the last section, which I think is going to take up the most of my time, because in this section I just keep my western wear, and it's very difficult to manage my western wear because the clothes, the material, they all differ, and it's so slippery that they slip away all the time. But this time hopefully I am going to arrange them in such a manner that they don't slip. So let's see how it goes. So now that I've cleaned this area, I'll just start stocking up my clothes. So to begin with, sorry guys, I don't know, I'm just going crazy with all this stuff. So here I have a few pair of jeans and shorts that I don't use quite often. So I am going to stock this behind in the corner because I'm not going to use them at the moment. छोटे हो गए इसलिए. बाद आते हैं मेरे कुछ टॉप्स. ये टॉप्स भी बेसिकली छोटे हो गए हैं, तो इसे भी हम कर देते हैं स्टॉक पीछे में, बिकॉज ये हम किसी को डोनेट कर सकते हैं लेटर ऑन. सो या, आई like to use the spaces which are difficult to reach out to keep the things that I don't want it currently. तो मैं उसे पीछे रख देती हूँ. So I have finally arranged my clothes. Here I have kept all my casual wear. These are also casual wear. ये मेरी सारी jeans वगैरह हैं. These are a few pants and skirts and everything. In the corner I have all my shrugs and jackets. कॉर्नर में तो मैंने आपको दिखाई दिया था. इधर में मैंने अपने सारे पैंट सूट्स वगैरह रखे हैं. और लास्टली इधर एकदम पीछे में मैंने रखे हैं अपने सारे वन पीस. I have kept my one pieces and pantsuits and everything पीछे में because I don't have to use them on a daily basis. तो मैंने फ्रंट में सिर्फ उन्हीं चीज़ों की लाइन लगाई है जो सब मुझे डेली वेयर पे या फिर डेली बेसिस में काम आते हैं. सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई लाइक टू अरेंज माई कपड़े की थाक. सो दिस इज़ हाउ माई one side of the closet looks like. Ekdam top layer mein there I have kept all my purses and everything. Now I move on to the right side of my closet. I have laid the paper down just like I did on the other side, and now I have already hanged my tops and party wear. I've hanged two tops in one hanger because they're very small, so I decided not to waste the space. So this is how I have put them, and yeah, so how it is. And now I'll be laying some of my nightwear and everything over here on the surface. So let's begin. Hi guys, so it's a new day. I was very tired yesterday, so I couldn't finish doing my closet. So today I am doing the right side of my closet, and I'll just show you all what all have I done till now. So yeah, so here I have put all my party wear clothes. Here I have my nightwear, and on the right side I have just kept a foldable organizer. In this I have put all the extra polythene bags and plastic bags which I might need, and I've also started doing the below part. Here I have kept all my Indian wear just like I had kept on the left side of the closet. In this bag I have all my Indian wear, and I also have kept a bag full of blouses. I think most of the people are aware of these kinds of organizers, and this is how I have kept it. The right side, on the right side here I have kept a polythene bag. In this I have all my extra shampoos and all of that stuff. Now that I'm done with this section, as you can see there, I have kept some chocolates. Moving on, I have this section where I have shown you that I have kept my Indian wear and my blouses. I have in the basket my makeup, and you can see that is my Sundari. Basically Sundari is the dummy, so I am pretty much sorted. Now moving on to the other section is where I keep my cosmetics and everything. So I'll just show you how it is presently and how I like to keep it basically. So yeah. So I keep all my perfumes there. Then I have this section where I keep my combs in a tub like this, and that is the basket in which I keep all my rub bands and my clips. This is the place where I keep all my body mists and the moisturizers. Here I have kept all my nail paints. All my lipsticks have vanished because I have kept them in my makeup vanity. And here I was working with the scissors right now, and this beauty blender is to be washed. In the drawers I keep all my bindis and hair clips, and these are the bangle boxes. Here I keep my tissues and my hair bands and everything. Here I keep my scrunchies and my bobby pins and everything. In the last section I keep my bangles. This is also a mess right now, so I have to clean this up. Here also I have a few more bangles. Here I have kept my dryers and my razors and my manicure sets and everything. So yeah, I'll just clean this mess up right now and I'll show you how I do it. Firstly, I'm going to take a very soft towel and clean this space up with this, and it's good to go. So after cleaning, this is how I have decided to put it. All my clay mask and my aloe vera gel, and this is a box of tissue where I stored all my tissues. So this is how this section looks. I have cleaned up this section as well. I have kept all my moisturizers and hand cream and nail paint remover and my nail paint and my body mist, everything under one section. Moving on to the next section, as you can already see, it's a mess. Okay, तो ये सेक्शन भी हो गया है. इसमें मेरा कुछ नहीं है, इसमें बेसिकली सब मेरे हस्बैंड का ही है. हाँ, वो मॉइस्चराइज़र को छोड़ के और वो इंदुलेखा को भी छोड़ के, अदरवाइज बाकी सब मेरे हस्बैंड का ही है. अब टॉप लेयर में आते हैं. इधर तो सब मेरा ही है, बेसिकली सब मेरा ही है. माय हस्बैंड, क्या आपके साथ में भी ऐसा होता है कि आपके हस्बैंड की कोई एक ऐसी आदत हो जिससे आप एकदम परेशान हैं? सो मैं भी अपने हस्बैंड की एक आदत से परेशान हूँ कि ही कीप्स एवरीथिंग इन प्लेस, लाइक लिटरली एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी ऑन पॉइंट. बट उसकी एक आदत इज सो बैड कि he will never keep his comb in the tub that I have kept. Never. So this area I have just cleaned the glass. Here, as you can see, मैंने इसमें अपनी सारी कंघी स्टोर करी है. इसमें ये बास्केट है, इसमें मैंने अपनी सारी स्क्रंचीज और क्लिप स्टोर करी है. डेली बेसिस पे जो मुझे चाहिए होती है, मैं बस हाथ डालती हूँ और निकाल लेती हूँ. उसके बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये रखना. I just got this cup gifted by our company when we went on a trip to Dubai. So this is me and this is my husband. I like to keep this teddy because this was gifted by my husband while we were dating, and this is one of the handmade cards that he made for me. So I like to keep it here. Then I have this teddy. This was gifted to me by my brother, my younger brother. So I like to keep it here. That's all. There is nothing more left to be kept here. And the last one is this section. Oh my god, that is the hardest to reach. I'll just have to put a stool now in order to clean that area. So yes, chalo, that section is also done. I have just kept a few of my favorite perfumes and moisturizer, and that is one of the bottles of coconut oil which I keep in stock. And this is a showpiece that I have kept, which was gifted to be my grandmother-in-law. And also I have chotu sa Ganesh ji here. Oopsie, I'll just shift it here in front. So I've just kept a chotu sa Ganesh ji also here. This was also gifted to be my grandmother-in-law. So this is how the entire space looks right now. Pretty much sorted, and now I'm just left with the lower part and I'm done. I am done with this section also. Chalo, I'll show you. This is a multiple chain bag in which I've kept all my bindis. These are some of the bangle boxes. In this I've stored my hair accessories. Chotu bag. I like to keep it all segregated in bags so that they don't mix up and I don't end up losing everything and then discovering it maybe a year and a half later that oh acha mere paas ye bhi saman tha. This is my bag full of scrunchies. This is also a packet full of scrunchies which was gifted to me by my mother. In this bag I have all my safety pins. This is mera bangle ka. This one also I've just cleaned and again rearranged this. As I had shown you previously, इसमें मैंने कुछ चेंजेस नहीं किए, जस्ट इसको साफ कर दिया है और देख लिया अगर इसमें कुछ अनरिक्वायर्ड स्टफ है तो. सो इसमें मेरे हस्बैंड के छोटे छोटे सामान है जैसे कि ट्रिमर वगैरह. ये मेरा हेयर ड्रायर है. इसमें मैंने अपने एक्स्ट्रा फेशियल रेजर्स और अपने मैनिक्योर पेडिक्योर का किट रखा हुआ है. एंड इस सेक्शन में मैंने अपना वाइप्स, और इसमें मैंने रखे हैं अपने एक्स्ट्रा रबर बैंड्स जो पतले वाले होते हैं, एंड हियर आर अ फ्यू ऑफ माय हेयर बैंड्स. So that is pretty much it. I'm done. I'm so glad that I'm done. This is also done. So guys, now we come to the end of the vlog. I don't know how much did you guys enjoy, but I really enjoyed a lot, and it also made me do my things faster and better. So I would like to thank you all for watching my video, and also do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. I love you guys. Bye.